Installing the Google Analytics tracking code. So installing the Google Analytics tracking code just has a few quick steps. First, we need to get the tracking code from our Google Analytics account. To do this, we're going to go to the top navigation. We're going to click Admin. And under the Property settings, we're going to click Tracking Info and then Tracking Code. And here we get to a page which displays our Google Analytics tracking code. Now what we have to do is have this installed on our website, and this can happen in about 3 different ways. The first, if you're comfortable editing HTML, we're just going to cut and paste this right into the code of our website. We want to make sure this code ends up on every single page of our website which we want to track, and oftentimes that's handled through an include file of some sort. Another option, if you're not really comfortable with HTML, is to cut and paste this into an email and send it to your webmaster. And the third, if you're using a popular content management system such as WordPress, is just to use a plugin that'll help you get tracking code on your website. So for the sake of our demo, we're going to just cut and paste this into our website. So I'm going to highlight the tracking code. I'm going to add it to my clipboard. And per the instructions on screen here, I'm going to install this code right after the opening body. And then we're going to click Save. So I'm jumping over to my theme editor in WordPress. And I'm looking for the opening body tag, and I'm simply just going to add a line here, cut and paste the code, and click Save. Now once the tracking code is installed on your website, it's important to test it to make sure that we're getting data back. So Google has this great little tool here where we can click a link to send test traffic, and what this is going to do is send dummy traffic to our website. And then we're going to jump into a reporting section called real-time reporting and see what that looks like. So first, we're going to click Send Test Traffic. And what you'll see is that Google Analytics will actually pop open another window here. And I'm just going to set that aside for a second. And we're going to click a link right here to go to real-time traffic reports. You can also access real-time traffic reports by going Reporting, Left Nav Real-Time, and then Overview. So what we'll see in real time, and this is supposed to be stats for users who are on our website right now, is that we have one user on right now, and the source is Analytics Test. So we can already see that the test traffic that Google sent to us is being tracked on the site, which means that our tracking code did get installed. Now in future lessons, we're going to go more about testing your installations in more detail, where you have more scalable ways to make sure that the code ended up on every page and to test that other things are working, such as goals and events. But for now, this tells us that the Google Analytics tracking code has made it to our site, and that concludes installing Google Analytics on your website.